Practical activity 8.04, open 8.07, data types tasks. So data type tasks. Okay, options, okay, right. So point number one, change cell B2 to be date with no leading zeros for the day, month, and 2 digits for the year. Okay, so we have to change over here in B2 so that we'll come into format, we'll come into date, and we'll choose this option because this they're saying is that we should have no leading zeros for day, month, and 2 digits for the year. We should have 2 digits for the year and no leading zeros. So here we go. We have this, right? Change cell C2 to be date with no leading zeros for the day, the full name of the month, and 4 digits of the year. So we'll come into C2, we'll come to format, and we can frankly go into customize and we can actually type it over here as well. That's another way. So I'll tell you that. So we to be date with leading zeros, okay, for the day, full name of the month. So we'll have over here is the day. So we'll have is DD. We'll have the full month. So we'll type this. And then we need is 4 digits for the year. So we'll have 4 digits for the year. Here we go. So we get something like this, right? Point number 3, change cell B3 to be timed with AM and PM. So change cell B3. So we'll come into B3. Okay. And we'll come to format. And we actually have to do is, again, we have to change this into time so that to be timed with AM and PM. So we'll have over here, let's say, is hour, minute, and second, right? And what we can do over here is slash, we can type over is AM. I could have selected that from here. Slash PM, right? So we get this. Change cell C3, that's C3. To be timed with hours, minutes, and seconds. So obviously we do is to be with time with hour, minute, seconds, right? Fine. Okay. Right. Enter the value this in cell this. So we enter 3, 8 in B4. So we enter 0, 3, 8, 2. The 0 goes away. Fine. Okay. What happens? Obviously, the 0 goes away. The format is defined that way. Change cell C4 to be text. So we're just going to format this and we're going to change it into text, right? And enter 0382 again. So I'll enter 0382. So this will be entered. Yes, it is, because it's considered as a text, right? What is different from B4? Because in B4, obviously only numbers were being accepted and 0 was not. There is a way you can do it. Okay, I can just tell you that you can simply, but they haven't asked, so let's not discuss it. It will be a topic. Change cell B5 to have 2 decimal places. So B5, define name, oh sorry, not define name, format, and 2 decimal places. I get 0, 0 at the end. Change cell C5 to have 1 decimal place. So C5 will have is 1 decimal place. Okay, so basically it rounds it up, as you can see over here. Okay, it is 229. So as we format this and we add 1 decimal place, it will round it up. Okay. Change cells B6 to be currency in euros to decimal place. What happens? So B6 is supposed to be currency, and you can select from here is euro and has to be 2 decimal places. I would select euro, although I can choose the French euro. Yeah, and I want this to be 2 decimal places. Done. Okay. Change cell in B6 to be currency in euros with 2 decimal places. We just did that, sorry. B6. Change cell C6 to be currency in Japanese with 2 decimal places. Fine, it's the same way. Not much of a difference. Okay. Change cells B8 and C8 to be fractions up to 1 digit. Are they correct? What do you think needs to be done to fix this? So B8 and C8 need to be fraction up to 1 digit. Okay, so if you look over here, okay, so it's just showing the 1 decimal place. So, okay, and right, up to 1 digit. They are they both correct? Yes, they're both correct. So nothing has to be done. It's working fine, right?